So for those of you that are new to our community, Grandma Ethel is our example policyholder. When Grandma Ethel calls in, she is the policyholder that's always switching out her cars. She likes to talk a lot. There's always busy work. There's always something that needs to be done in the background. She really just likes to talk a lot, and she needs a friend. So as insurance agents, we need to be kind and patient to our Grandma Ethels for a couple of reasons. First reason, of course, it's the right thing to do. But secondly, if Grandma Ethel speaks to other people the same way she's speaking to you, please be aware that she will also speak about you. So it's super important. I mean, just in life in general, it's a good habit, a good practice. But in the insurance industry, it's be gentle with someone's perception. So if you get a chatterbox, if you get a Grandma Ethel, do your best, take that information. What is it that we need? Let her know though that you are a busy super agent getting things done, making sure people are protected, that you absolutely enjoy your time together, adore your time together, but you'll take notes and you'll take action. So that is something that we talk about fairly extensively in the essentials package. So for new insurance agents that need some guidance, they are looking to expand their career, build their career with confidence. The essentials package talks a lot about the sales side, and it also includes the employment side. So we've got games, books, resources, and before Insurance Power Hour, this group was little and tiny, and what we're doing right now used to be called Ice Cream Social. So I made sure that was also included. But thank you for bringing that up, Tina. We need to be gentle with our policyholders, our Grandma Ethels. Good peeps, good stuff.